I now have this text hello world and my colors and everything set on it, but I want to display, let's say, something like a list of programming languages which I've learned. And let's see if I can add another text to it by doing something like, let's say, C++, and let me add another child of text widget here. So make sure to neatly arrange this. So this is the end of this text widget. So I want to add another child property, and let's see what happens. Text, and let's name this one Java. Okay, let me save and see what happens. You see there's an error here, and let's see what the error says. It says for the argument for this name parameter child was already specified. So meaning this test child is already specified. I can't add another test child into this widget again. But what I can do is I can wrap this with either a row or a column, like displaying this list of programming languages either in a horizontal way or in the vertical way. So to do this, what I have to do is let me get rid of this error, and this is my text widget. What I'll do is I'll copy this text widget, Ctrl+C to copy, then I'll delete it. And with this text widget being copied, what I can do is I can set either a row or a column widget on it. So let me first set a row and see what happens. So within this row, we can now have the ability to set a list of children. So if you have 1,000 list of programming languages which you want to display, you can do this by calling the children property. So with this children property, it's going to take a list of widget, and in this list of widget, I now have the ability to set a number of text widget which I want. So I can bring it here and everything is normal, and let's save this and see what happens. So I now see C++ being displayed nicely here. So what I can do is I can copy that same code and paste it one more time just below the end of this text widget and save it. So I now have another C++ being displayed, so I can change this C++ to something like that, which is the programming language that we are using right now. So I now have that, and at the end of this text widget too, I can paste new one also and change this one also to Java and save it also. So with this, I can do this for a number of times which I want. Then this same row widget, I can also change this thing into a column widget. So let's see how the column will also display the text that we have embedded inside the text widget that we have inside. So let's save it and see how column 2 will display this. So column 2 have the center, it has C++, Java and that, but it seems it's not in the center. We can fix that, but for now we need to know that to display a list of widget either in a horizontal way or in a vertical way, what we can do is we have to call either the row or the column widget depending on what you want to display set, and set all the properties on it.